Meet Pulse, your new AI assistant inside LeadSquared. Pulse lives in the top navigation bar. Click the Pulse AI button on any page and a chat panel opens on the right. Type what you want to do in plain language. Need a new lead? Just say, create a lead with the first name Sarah, add her email, and set the lead stage to prospect. Pulse creates the lead instantly and returns the record ID right in the chat. Pulse can do a lot more than create leads. It can update opportunities, post activities, schedule records, search records, and run bulk operations across your CRM. It's also context-aware. Open Pulse on the Leads page and you'll see quick actions for capturing, updating, and searching leads. Open it on Smart Views and the suggestions change to match. And if you have a question about how something works in LeadSquared, just ask. Pulse pulls the answer straight from the help site. That's Pulse, now available inside your LeadSquared account.